Katy Perry faces personal and legal turmoil as High Court showdown looms in Australia. Pop superstar Katy Perry is currently facing a storm of emotional and legal challenges. Not only is she reportedly dealing with the end of her relationship with actor Orlando Bloom, but she's also preparing for a significant courtroom battle in Australia's High Court this September. The 40-year-old singer, known globally for chart-topping hits like Dark Horse and Roar, has allegedly parted ways with fiancé Orlando Bloom after years of public highs and private struggles. The pair, who got engaged in 2019 and share a 4-year-old daughter named Daisy Dove, are said to have quietly separated. Sources close to the couple suggest that they have been growing apart for some time. Orlando's noticeable absence from Katy's recent public appearances has only fueled rumors of a breakup. However, as the emotional weight of a potential split sets in, Katy's attention must also turn toward a legal confrontation that's been years in the making. The case centers on a trademark dispute with Australian fashion designer Katy Perry, born Katy Jane Perry, though she has also used the surnames Howell and Taylor at different points in her life. The designer has accused the pop singer of infringing on her registered fashion trademark during the singer's 2014 Australian tour. According to Katy Perry's branded merchandise used in Australia violated her existing trademark and significantly impacted her small business, which she says she built from the ground up. The designer reportedly registered the name Katy Perry as a trademark for her clothing label back in 2008. She has been adamant that the singer's commercial use of the same name on tour merchandise confused customers and undermined the integrity and visibility of her brand. She claims the damage to her business was profound, not just financially but emotionally as well. "This label has been a dream of mine since I was 11 years old," said the designer in an emotional public statement. "And now that dream, which I've worked so hard to build since 2006, has been taken away from me. I've battled large corporations before, but nothing has felt as personal or as painful as this." The legal dispute, which has already spanned over a decade, has now reached the highest court in Australia. The High Court has officially scheduled a hearing date for September 9th, where both sides will present their final arguments. Legal experts say this could set a major precedent for celebrity branding rights versus small business trademark protections, not just in Australia but internationally. Katy Perry, born Catherine Elizabeth Hudson, adopted her mother's maiden name Perry early in her career to avoid confusion with actress Kate Hudson. While the decision made sense professionally, it has since become a point of contention in the fashion world due to this legal overlap. What makes this case particularly complex is the global fame and reach of Katy Perry's name and brand, which includes not only music but fragrances, clothing lines, and various merchandise. Her team has argued that she had no intention of infringing upon an existing Australian business and that the use of her name was fair and consistent with her established persona. However, the fashion designer's legal team has pushed back, pointing to the fact that Australian trademark laws are designed to protect small and medium businesses from being steamrolled by multinational companies and global celebrities. "It's not about fame, it's about fairness," one of the designer's legal representatives commented. The emotional and symbolic stakes are high for both women. On one side is an international pop sensation grappling with the end of a relationship while preparing to defend her name. On the other is a determined Australian designer fighting for recognition, justice, and the preservation of the brand she built from scratch. As the court date approaches, the world will be watching. Whether the outcome favors the global icon or the local designer, the case is expected to have ripple effects in trademark law and celebrity branding rights for years to come. For Katy Perry, this chapter of her life may be one of the most trying yet. With a potential breakup, a legal battle, and the eyes of the media upon her, she faces a difficult road ahead. Whether she emerges victorious in court or not, what remains clear is that this case is more than just about a name. It's about identity, legacy, and the cost of fame.